Oceans have huge potential to help us in the renewable energy transition by providing sustainable sources of food while at the same time serving as a powerful carbon sink. Nevertheless, further growth of ocean-based industries increases pressures on oceans, coastal space, and resources, which are already under considerable stress. To minimize conflicts and maximize the synergies between maritime uses, there is a need to move from a traditional sector-by-sector management of marine activities to a more holistic, integrated approach. Sustainable and efficient use of ocean space can be achieved through a combination of different ocean uses at the same location, such as multi-use offshore platforms. The concept of ocean multi-use has been defined as a joint synergetic use of resources in close geographic proximity. It represents a radical change from the concept of exclusive resource rights to the inclusive sharing of resources by one or more users. Combinations of offshore wind and tourism include boat tours to the wind farm, diving expeditions around the piles, or other recreational activities depending on site conditions and business models. Depending on the local conditions, offshore wind can be combined with different types of cultured species from high to low trophic levels, or serve as an artificial reef aiding nature restoration. This type of combined use can potentially maximize benefits derived from a given space. For example, growing sugar kelp within offshore wind farms not only provides additional jobs and sustainable food sources in the local communities, but also maximizes the CO2 uptake per square kilometre due to kelp's ability to store carbon. Combinations of artisanal fisheries and tourism, so-called pescatourism, allow visitors to learn about the fishing tradition while at the same time providing additional or alternative sources of income for fishers who aim to transition to a smaller scale or lower impact techniques. While multi-use can provide important benefits, multiple barriers such as uncertainty about impacts and stakeholder perceptions still hinder its real-life implementation. Joint work by policy, research and industry is still needed to address these barriers and ensure a more holistic, integrated approach to the use and management of marine resources.